On my mother's side, through my grandfather, my lineage included distinguished ancestors, counts, nobles, and a famous doctor honored with both a museum and a street bearing his name. However, my grandmother initiated the divorce and even took the children away so they would have no contact with him. My question is, how much have I lost in terms of my rights? How can I restore those rights? And does my grandmother's hatred of men still affect my life and my place within the lineage? It is quite possible. If you notice it, and if your family circumstances are not producing the outcome you truly desire, not the kind of life that would leave you feeling whole, fulfilled, and satisfied, then its influence may indeed be present. If you feel that something is missing in your life, it means that this episode in your family's history has affected you. How can you restore it? By appealing to your grandfather's lineage. Through photographs, through symbols, the grave, everyone has their own ways, but in any case, it's about restoring it. This can be done well through meditation, through dreams, or through rituals at the cemetery, especially if you know where they are buried and you have access to the place. Usually, such good, strong family lines, if they haven't been diminished by the state or a religious egregore, if they haven't been repressed or subjected to, haven't had an anathema placed upon them, then they exist and feel quite well in their descendants, provided, of course, that they are allowed to manifest. Because a maternal curse, in this case your grandmother's, does not erase that connection. It blocks it, as though placing a stopper over it. This stopper needs to be removed by restoring the connection, by voluntarily re-establishing the bond. But again, it's worth asking about the reason why the grandmother did this. You may not know all the reasons. There may have been external circumstances involved. For example, she may have been influenced by propaganda. During the Soviet era, children sometimes renounced their parents simply because teachers or other authority figures instructed them to do so. This too is a way of placing a barrier over the ancestral line, blocking the connection. It is quite possible that this was the reason she acted as she did, or there may have been an inner conflict that you simply don't know about. For your own peace of mind, the best course is to find information first. Then you can make a well-informed decision. Restoring your connection to your bloodline is not difficult. It simply takes the desire and the will.